Alright, hey you guys, what's going on? It's your girl, the Trap Therapist. Welcome if you have been here before. Welcome if you have not been here before. Welcome back if you have. Today we are doing Sagittarius' ancestor messages. I don't know why I had to explain real quick. So I have my headphones because I was in a conference call, a Zoom call beforehand. Okay, Sagittarius is a little nosy. Okay. And I just didn't feel like taking them off, having to disconnect. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I like it though because I am isolated from the noise from outside, which allows me to think a little bit. Sagittarius, you seem a little frazzled. First of all, let's calm down. Let's calm down. We're going to have to take that 10 to a 2, okay? Because what happened? Okay, hold on, Sagittarius. Let me put my book down. Let me put my book down. Let me stretch out a little bit. Ancestors, what do you have for the Sagittarius? What's going on with the Sagittarius? Sagittarius could be worried about the funds right now. Okay, Sagittarius is worrying about where their next stream of income is coming. Because I feel like you're on your last leg of something. Okay? And it's causing you to feel unstable, unsteady. The foundation right now is seeming a little shaky. But you need to know that you are prosperous regardless of what is on the table. Some of y'all are getting paid under the table. No signed contracts. That's not my business. But be careful. Why do y'all feel like that? I don't know. Some of y'all feel dumb for making a certain decision. Maybe this is the time to take a pause, take a break on something. Become more choosy. Okay, you don't have to invite everyone in your energy. You don't have to have everybody in your circle. You are allowed to be selective on who, chooses to feed on your energy. You choose to allow people in your circle. You ain't got to be friendly with everybody, and everybody don't got to be as close to you as you have these people. Because you heard me say feed, right? That is what whoever is around you is doing. Ultimately, they're feeding off your energy. They may not be reciprocated. I don't know. Oh my gosh, what is going on with you, Sagittarius? I don't know if it's okay. Okay, hold on. Because Sagittarius like to play the victim. Are you torturing somebody or is somebody torturing you? Somebody is making somebody's life a living hell. Okay, but you like to play the games, Sagittarius, okay? Okay, you like to kiki, haha. Okay, until the tables is turned on you. And now you in your feelings, feeling bad. Boo-hoo crying. So I feel like now it's your turn, okay? Because you're looking in the mirror now like, damn, you feel me? Whoa, hold on a minute. I didn't ask for this, but you did. But you did. It was more of a subconscious manifestation that you were consciously unaware of. But it came up. It happened. It happened exactly the way it's supposed to, and now you feel bad. You're fortunate. Whatever you just went through, you're grateful to be alive. No, I cannot fathom the things that you had to do to get to where you are, you know? Your life is your life, and you have to do what you got to do in order to survive, but certain situations you did not have to go through. Certain situations could have been prevented had you listened. And I feel like no one is telling you this because you play this role very well, okay? And now it's time for you to sit, okay, Spirit? It's showing you to your face what exactly, how you played a part in something. Your environment is fucked up. Your environment is causing a lot of havoc to your mental space. I see something you're trying to get lifted off the ground is going well, but it could be going way better. Something about feelings and emotions, something about being still. Because I feel like once you do something, okay, you either get tired or bored of it and you keep moving. Sagittarius, keep moving. If you sat still for 2 damn seconds, listen, we could get somewhere. We can work with you on this. This is something that we can, work up the ability and the abundance for you if you stay on it. Okay, so we don't want to keep seeing you give up on shit. We don't want to keep you. You keeping yourself waiting at this point. You're keeping yourself in these cycles, these loops of stagnancy and delays. Had you stayed in the present moment rather than looking back at the past, fumbling the bag, wondering why certain shit happened and the shit ain't even there no more. So now you want to now you want to, have this cause of concern that didn't really have to be there. Something about tax evasion. Listen. I don't know your life. I don't judge. But this is just what happens when you play the game of the Matrix at the end of the day. Okay? 5 to 10. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a little heavy. It's a little hefty. It's weighing on your mind. I could feel it. I could see it. It's that guilt coming back to haunt you now. So now you have to suffer the consequences. we are in Mercury retrograde, so now's the time to confess. Or there's going to be a lot of confessions, a lot of secrets are going to be coming out about a lot of corruption. Whether in the Sagittarius collective, the community, a lot of corrupt energy. A lot of brokenness, a lot of injustice. Okay? Mother Earth is coming for her karma one way or another. Whatever has been done wrong is going to be made right, regardless. It's inevitable. This is truth-seeking season. This is for you to seek everything that you thought was right. Learning, unlearning, and relearning a lot of things that you thought were normal and okay and just. And you realize it's all fucking corrupt and evil. Everything that was told to you was a lie from the jump. This is why shit wasn't prosperous. This is why shit wasn't popping. This is why shit wasn't jumping like it was supposed to. Because it was from ill intentions. Now you understand. Now you know. I hope you find that truth. I hope you find the closure with sincerity. I hope you find the sincerity within the situation. I hope you can find peace in the situation. Because right now, at this time, everything's going to be made known. There's a group. 5 to 7 people. I don't know if this is a, what are they called? Board members. I don't know, you know, the people in the courtroom, the jury and everything. Yeah. I hope everything works out in your favor. For real. Regardless, the light still shines on everyone. You may be having a bad day, but the sun still shines on the righteous and the unrighteous. If you do right, you're going to get what's coming to you. If you continue to try every day, and then the blessings will come to you. I'm saying, what is something about ficus? A ficus? Those are trees. What about these trees? Something about a ficus tree. I don't know. Oh, it's enormous. Okay, it's long. It's not long, but it's tall. Something about it being, something is enormous. I don't know, the shade. I think that's what's drawing me to this tree, is the shade. This tree is very shady. It's protective. All right, now if you're throwing shade, okay, take it how it resonates. Somebody could be throwing shade, but I'm feeling like this umbrella of protection you have is very enormous. I'm gonna see what a ficus tree be looking like. Okay. Someone could be a poet. I'm getting something about poetry. Somebody is reciting a poem. or doing like how you say, romantic gesture. Somebody could be doing something, you know what I'm saying, reciting a poem, or someone like is in poetry, does poetry. That's sweet. Oh, they laid out everything. They laid out everything with the candles. Okay, they came correct. All right, because approaching you gonna come correct or don't come at all. Okay, period. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting more residual incomes. Yes, okay. Sagittarius is going to have the funds correct. All right. A rejuvenation of the okay, of a cycle. Oh, hold on. You said what? Y'all heard that too, right? Okay, let me put the okay. I had to make sure that that's what they said. Okay. A rejuvenation of a cycle. I don't really get no love messages for none of the ancestor messages, so this is especially for Sagittarius. Okay, so there could be a rejuvenation of a love cycle here. For some of y'all, all of y'all, none of y'all. Take it how it resonates. I get some crazy things. That may apply to you if you are if you or someone is a paraplegic. Yes. Wow. When? Y'all are funny. Y'all are clowns. Y'all are clowns. Mind your business. Mind your business. That's all I'm saying, Sagittarius. When you start to sometimes you just gotta laugh shit off. Okay? Stop taking everything so seriously, because I feel like y'all are worried about shit that's not even going to happen. That's not even going to occur. You worry about shit that happened in 2009. Why? 2012. Why? You worry about that one thing somebody said in 2005. Why? Laugh that shit off. Because right now, it's not the time. Now is not the time to have a heavy heart. Now is not the time to be weighed down by none of this shit, to be quite frank with you. Now is the time to really enjoy, feel the breeze, feel the nature, feel the sun. Okay, rejuvenate your cycle. Okay, actually, if you are a woman and you are on your moon cycle, sit out in the sun and rejuvenate. Okay, this not only restores the vessel, but it also restores the womb. Okay, and it provides you the life source, the source of energy while you are going through your moon cycle. Okay. See, y'all are worried about the injustices of a lot of things like slavery and Harriet Tubman. So y'all are wanting to know more about your ancestors and know about your roots. Okay, now is the time for you to build that connection with them. Okay? You have to be, in order to receive these messages, you have to be open to having that connection with spirit and allowing them to make themselves be known. Because this is not something that's going to happen right away. It's going to happen when you are ready. It's going to happen when they know that you are being receptive and not closed off. Because that's a lot of the time what happens is when you have your awakening and you start to unlearn. Okay, so remember those social constructs that y'all were that we were talking about earlier. Y'all are starting to realize a lot of shit is a lie. You're starting to realize a lot of things are a lie to you. More than likely, it will occur when you realize, okay, what is next for me in my journey? Because if I don't have this, what do I have? Okay. I'm not going to go down the religion versus spirituality, but because that's not my place here. um, a lot of a lot of territorial energy. Okay, over what's yours, over what's mine. What's mine is yours. What's yours is mine. Sharing is caring. Some of y'all are into polygamy, open relationships, free spirit. Hey, do you? Do you? Ain't no thing. Ain't nobody judging. Cause that's the thing. You feel like somebody is judging you. You feel like people will judge you. Fuck them. It doesn't even matter. It ain't got shit to do with them. What is you? What? Man, if you don't go out and live your life and do you, that's what you're here for. To do you. Not to do nobody else. If they got a problem with it, they can kick rocks. They simpletons. They pea bodies. They pea brains. They don't want to expand their mind and look at things outside of a box that they've kept themselves in. Because you can always crack open the shell. You can always crack open the box. People don't like to open Pandora's box because of what they're gonna see about themselves. Fuck everything else. You already got the shit that society done hid from us. Then you have your other stuff that's hidden from you about yourself. Focus on that. They don't like to focus on that shit. Take the time to understand the dark shit about you. Your roots, where you stem from, where you really, really, really come from. Then you will really understand how corrupt this fucking matrix is. And I feel like you don't have the right circle around you to talk about this. And if you do, this is what y'all be talking about. If not, you need to hang out with different individuals. You need more like-minded people in your circle to talk about this stuff with, because a lot of people don't like to talk about it because they scared. They don't understand. And it's not meant for them to understand, because that's not who you're supposed to be talking to it about. Talking about the wrong shit, the right shit with the wrong people is gonna be a disconnect. So I feel like a lot of y'all are starting to awaken to a lot of things going around you, but y'all don't have awakened people to speak about this. Make a podcast, make a YouTube channel, make whatever. Do something that's an outlet in order for you, so that people can hear this. You will be connected to the right people, I promise you. Fasten your seatbelts. That's how we gonna conclude this message. Fasten your seatbelts, because I feel like y'all are finna get taken through a whirlwind of tower moments of information, knowledge, secrets, hidden agendas, ulterior motives, all types of shit. Y'all is damn near about to go down the damn rabbit hole. Okay, so that will conclude your ancestor message. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for just tuning in. I love what I do, and I do it for y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Until your next video, I will talk to y'all later. Fasten y'all seatbelts, because it's finna get crazy.